Hi friends, today I like to introduce my new professional rotary hammer drill. This one is Chinese brand and it is called Boray. Now let's see what I have inside this box. This box is quite heavy and nice also. Now let's open this one and what we have inside it. This is my new rotary hammer drill. This one is the manual, very cheap, not having. This is the main page actually. Okay, let's find out what we have. Actually, this one is the hammer drill called Boray, and it's 2500 word and it's 870 RPM per minute, and it has 26 mm beat. Let's see. This is okay. So here is the you have to press here and have to move like this. Okay, this is the hammer mode, and this is the hammer and simple drill mode, middle of the hammer and simple drill mode, and this one is the drilling mode. Okay, so very nice to see. Here is the key for reverse, and this is the switch, and this is the lock key. This one is very giant and actually used for professionals. You can also use in your homeworks also. So here is the another choke. This one is a choke actually used for metal and wood. This is the way. Okay, you can also use some screw bits also if you want to go for screwing anything. Let's see what we have inside. Some beads here. Those are the extra beads. These are the beads. These are the bead actually used for making hole on concrete or wall. Let's remove this. Let me fix the bead here. This one is a SDS glass. Okay, let's look like this. This is Boray. Let's check out using the electricity connection. These are the very common. Okay, let's reverse function here. And if you want to turn the hammer, then it's little bit noisy. Very. Thank you viewers for watching my video, and I think this cost near about $25. Very cheap. Okay, thank you.